Hi everyone. I am thinking of you and wishing I could see you in person, but I'm confident that we're going to be able to keep learning together and we'll have some adventures on the internet. I'm at home today and I have been learning all sorts of technology. It's been really fun. It's been a good opportunity for me to learn some new tools. So one of the things I did, I created a YouTube channel. If you're watching this right now, that means that the channel is working, which is awesome. Um, I don't know about you, but I've had a lot of time on my hands to do some things I wouldn't ordinarily get to do. So I wanted to show you two projects that I've been doing here at home in my free time. One thing, I have been doing some more rug hooking, and I finished my birdie. This is a cardinal, and he was really fun. I finished making the sky the other day. And if you're wondering how I did that, I can show you. I have this tool called a punch needle rug hooking tool. And all you do is you take the fabric and you punch it from the back and it makes lots of little loops. And if you make a mistake, you can just take it out. So it's really fun. I'm happy that I have my bird finished and he matches my hummingbird, which I showed you at school already. This is my hummingbird. So now I have a matching set and I'm really happy for that. So it's nice to have some time to do some art. I hope that you're finding that you have time to do something that you love. You guys know I love art, so I wanted to show you one more thing I'm doing. I'm doing a cross stitch pattern. And this is a special type of sewing. It's called black work. It comes from Spain. And what I'm doing is me and 3,000 people around the world were all sewing the same project. And it will have 52 different squares because there's 52 weeks in the year. So each week on Facebook, the artist who designs this, she releases the new pattern. Today is Wednesday. So today, once I'm finished teaching, I'm going to do this pattern. And she tells you how to sew and what color to use. You can change the color if you want. This was the first week of the year. And then each week I've been doing one little square or rectangle and just filling out the pattern. And so last week was this one. And now today I get to do that because it's Wednesday. So before break, we were talking about, is social media good or bad? And this coronavirus situation has really made me think about what you all were studying. And on the one hand, it could be bad because maybe people are getting more scared or getting like false information about coronavirus, and maybe there's rumors going around that are not true. But on the positive side, people can come together and can communicate and say, like, how are you doing with all this stress? Like, how are you feeling? How are you coping with it? For me, as a creative person, I have time to look on the internet and to get some really creative ideas. For example, this project I'm doing, it's all on Facebook. If there was no Facebook, there would be no project because I wouldn't have known about it and I wouldn't have learned how to do this type of sewing. So, I'm still kind of thinking about all of our debates, was social media good or bad? Speaking of that, thank you for those of you over spring break who finished typing your essays and sent them to me. That's awesome. I appreciate that. Moving forward, we're going to start a new unit on India. And then I also have in the works doing some more writing in the future. So that's all for now. I don't have any work for you today. I just wanted to say hi, show the arts and crafts, show you a little bit what my house looks like. You can see in the background, that's my family's dog, Lizzie, and that's our horse, Zoe, and my mom's on the horse. And then this is a picture of Denmark, a castle in Denmark where I lived when I was in college. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you have a good day. Please, you can email me with any thoughts or questions that you have, and I'm thinking of you and missing you too. Bye bye.